Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss what are modern advanced find in Microsoft Dynamics 365 CE. So modern advanced find has improved upon the legacy advanced find. An entity table in a modern driven app application may be accessed via search with current advanced find, and you can apply sophisticated filters to examine the data quickly. So first, navigate Power Platform Admin Center. So click on the settings button here and then click on the admin center. So now go to the environments and select the environment in which you are working on. Then click on settings from here. Navigate to product and select the features from here. Now go to the advanced find option. So this is the advanced find option, and turn on the modern advanced find in the modern driven app. And also now you can see over here where you are going to be able to allow user to hide views, like it says allow user to the hide system view, and then click on save button from here because I have already saved it. So let's go back to the Sales Hub application and explore more about modern advanced find. And firstly refresh it. Go to the account entity from here, and on the right top, as you see, that is the advanced find icon. So now first thing I show you how to managing of your views. So click on the my active account drop down. So you have ability to hide the view. Now you can see in this view selector, there's really no section anymore that show me which are personal view and which are system view. I can determine my personal view with this small icon over here. And these are the system view. You can see from here. Now click on the manage and shares view, and that will open on the right hand side. It can hide certain views directly from the view selector. If I am hide these three views, then click on this icon, and we cannot hide the default view. So then click on the apply button. So firstly refresh it. So go to the drop down again. So you can see only their views are available. If you are unhide these view, so go back to the manage and share view and click on this icon and unhide this view and click on the apply button. So now refresh it and click on the my active account drop down again. So you can see hide view are showing again. So go back to the manage and shares view, and you have some options here. Click on three dots like hide, set as default view, I can share view, and I can edit information regarding that view name and description of that view. I can assign view and delete view, and also deactivate this view, and also download fetch example of this view. So if I am click on the deactivate view option, then click on the confirm deactivation. So now you can see here these view are now inactive. And if you want to reactive your view, then click on three dots again and then click on the activate and confirm saved view activation. Then click on this button, and now as you see these are the active your view. Like if you have system view, so here you have less option, so you can hide unhide view, and then you can set as default view and download fetch XML of this view. If you want to make changes to that view like adding columns or changing the filter on that. So firstly select that view and then edit column, edit filter from here. So click on the edit filter, and I am adding one more field, that is owner. And if you want to download fetch XML of this filter, you can click on the download fetch XML button. So click on it and then click on the notepad. So it is look like that. So Fetch XML, the proprietary Microsoft Dynamics CRM query language, can be used to perform some queries by using XML based queries, and use Fetch XML to create queries that return aggregates such as the sum of a value for all return records. You can also perform group by group operation with the Fetch XML. Now go back to the Sales Hub application. So then click on the apply button. So I made some changes and it can tell by the asterisks here. Now you can see save changes to the current view that I have selected and save as this as the new view. So now talk about the modern advanced find. Now as you can see this icon, so click on that. So now search a table that I want to search on. One important thing that you only be able to search for tables that are actually part of the app. So right now I am in a Sales Hub application. So if there any table that are not part of the Sales Hub application, so I will not be able to search for them. And the table also has been enabled for the unified interface again. Otherwise, I cannot search for that table in the new advanced find. And I would need to have at least read access to the table because otherwise I won't be able to search for that table. So if you select the accounts from here, then click on the continue button. And now I did some changes. So click on the drop down and select as inactive. So I am clicking on the apply button. So you can see that view. Go to the edit column from here. If add more column, then click on plus add columns and you can add more columns. Then click on close button and you can move them around and then click on the apply button. Now go back to the my active account drop down and click on save as new view. So here I am giving like test 2, then click on save button. Now go back to the drop down here. So as you see here, this is my second personal view. So in this video we covered what are modern advanced find and how to use them in Dynamics 365 CE. Thanks for watching.